Hello, welcome back to Madrona's Pulse Teachings. I'm Iris J, and we are in our Cancer new moon. I just wanted to make a video for you at sunset so that you could get some of that gorgeous watery Bay of Fundy Atlantic Ocean coming your way as we come into what is a yin moment. There is so much energy going on. There's so many cosmic conversations. We have got our sun in Cancer, conjunct the moon, conjunct Jupiter. The sun and the moon are at around 4 degrees of Cancer. They are in conjunct Pluto in Aquarius. They are squaring Neptune and Saturn. They are trine Vesta. But really all this is a moment to try and quiet. This is the dark moon. It's a Cancer new moon. It's a yin moment. There's a lot going on. There is fire energy. There is the complete dismantling of structures. This is an ongoing process, but in this moment, as that Saturn and Jupiter are talking, as that Jupiter is talking with Neptune, as that's part of this new moon energy, there is a potential to open and glimpse the big ways that the structures upon which we have organized our lives are dissolving. And this is really big. This is really big energy. These are big topics and conversations. This is talking about what is going to happen with all the outer planets as we move through these next few months, these next few years. We are in a massive moment of paradigm shifting presence. And so when we come into a new moon like this, there is an opportunity to glimpse some of the big ways that society is collapsing. And yet, as that's happening, glimpsing the beautiful openings for psyche, soul, consciousness that are also upon us. And this is a new moon that asks us above all else to come home to ourselves, that asks us to come home to love, to comfort, to care, to what true nurturing is. Not nurturing that is aligned to some commercial culture, not nurturing that comes because someone with millions of followers is getting paid to advertise something that they're an Instagram influencer of, which is really just an extension of corporate advertising, and tells us to. This is about letting all that go and coming into the self, the quietude, and what emerges there. What emotions can we be so honest with as we just drift? And yes, that Aries fire is there. It is actively dismantling structures that we've potentially had a lot invested in. These could be structures of our self-identity. They are structures of our self-identity because it's Aries, but it depends what house you have that in your chart of where that dismantling is happening. And yet, as that's going on, we can also really glimpse the various timelines and futures that are possible. And they're only possible because of everything that's breaking down. They're only possible because of all the sweat and tears and laughter and moments of spiraling that you have gone through to get right here. And paradigms are changing, values are shifting. What it means to be human is transforming. What it means to be an inhabitant of this earth is transforming. Uranus is right now during this new moon at the final degree of Taurus. And it's going to go into Gemini July 7th, but it's not there yet. It's at the final degree of Taurus. And there is so much to embody around embodiment and point around earth consciousness, around what it means to actually extend our sense of self into the ecosystems we're part of and connect and take meaning from that relational way of being. And so there's just so many layers of meaning here. And rather than think about them or try and figure them out, this new moon is really inviting us to just slow down, be in a place of home and nurture, whatever that means to you, whatever that means to you in this moment. And I am sending a heck of a lot of love here from my new home in the Bay of Fundy. We never know where life is going to take us or the goddess is going to call us, but that's also for me the joy of it. So I am sending lots of love, and I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.